Okay, this is my demonstration using the package Island. It also needs ggplot. I'll be using supplementary data set included called Idaho. For the first model, we just use the presence absence data, and I will use the irregular sampling scheme to estimate colonization and extinction rates and get those rates for the model. And you can see the colonization and extinction rates down there, and then they're incorporated into it. I'll then use Celotrans to transform the rates into transition probabilities. And then I will do simulations and data generation that will simulate species richness dynamics. And then I will combine these simulations to form one graph. This graph represents the species richness dynamics over time. The black represents the species richness per quadrant for the quadrant sampled. The blue line represents the median species richness across 1,000 simulations, and then the red shading is the 95% confidence interval. You could continue and bring in the environmental data. You could use greedy environmental fit to find the best model for colonization and extinctions using the environmental variables by sequentially adding them and seeing which ones increase AIC score. And then I don't have much time, but you could create another graph with the environmental data that is better fitting. And now that it's loaded, I'm just showing you the graph that it generated, incorporating the environmental variables into the model. It's a much better fit, you can see.